Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Costco Black Friday sale. So let's dive in. So right when you walk in the door, you're greeted with this 65-inch flat screen TV here for $379. A great price for that one there. Another great deal, I think, for any DIYer or any homeowner is this little Fantic drill here. I think this is a great option. You have the screwdriver, and then you also have the little drill pack with it there. I think this is a great setup for, again, any DIYer or just for your house. Another great area to just decorate your house is right outside. Here for $23.99, we got this set up right there for the lights. Great, cool option for that one. For those holiday gifts giving, here's a great little Ninja air fryer, $125. Again, another great deal for that. And I plan on just showing you guys just kind of a random assortment of some of the deals and some of the best options right now at Costco and these Black Friday deals. I like this one. We have some batteries here, and it's actually the good batteries. A lot of the times I'll show you the deals from different places, and it might not be the best batteries for everything right there, but these are the Duracell, so these are some of the best ones. Pretty good prices on these, again, especially if you're going to be needing some of those for lasting a long time in some of your devices. Also have some Christmas trees on sale. They had a bunch of Christmas items on sale right now, so if you need to grab you a tree like we have, grab some of these deals going on right now at Costco. Really great trees, looks really good, and really good prices on a lot of these as well. So you can go check these out and see what prices might be available. Whatever size you might need, they had a bunch of different ones. These are the 7.5 foot, which is actually what we grabbed as well. So you can go check these out. Save you a little bit of money. Also, a great item for a gift here, a piano setup or a keyboard setup. Pretty good deal and pretty good price on that. So if you're looking for one of those, Costco has you covered. Here's a great little setup for some hunters, or if you're going to be just outside or just trying to stay warm during the wintertime, you can grab some of these. I've never used the power paw option there, but I've definitely used some of these like little hotties or hot hands. So those kind of things are great for that. Another pretty good deal right here is this bed. I like it because it does have the little headboard up there as well. So if you have family coming over for the holidays, great thing to grab right there and save you a little bit of money. And here's another shot of that bed as well. Just to want to show you guys this. Again, I think it's a great little addition to just sleeping on a regular mattress on the floor. So a great option for that one. Here is another range backpack for those that are going to the range over the holidays. Great thing to go and have some fun. But you can see this backpack on sale. Be able to carry all your ammo and everything in that as well. Also, if this video has been helpful so far, let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. I also have links for some of these items down below, so you can check those out down there as well. Got the hard side luggage set here for $140. Save $40 off of that one. So if you're going to be traveling, definitely check some of these out. We had to grab some for some trips we have coming up. Then we also have the shaver here. Save $50 off of this. It's a great little setup right there for Braun. Definitely a great brand, and it's great. You can save a little bit of money here. Another one is the Phillips & Relco. $45 here for the trimmer. The all-in-one trimmer has a bunch of different settings on that one. We have the water flosser down to $100. Get to save $20 on that one for the Philips Sonicare. They also had a bunch of their toothbrushes on sale as well, or the tops of them at least. So you can go and check out some of the tops of these toothbrushes here. You can see these. They had a bunch of them next to those as well, but just want to show you that setup. They also had the hot and cold reach massager, $100 here, down $30. So again, another great thing for just relaxing or being able to get out some of those just pains or different things you might have. You also have the air compression boot, little flex options here for that, $130. So again, help you relax a little bit over the holidays or just get some air compression, either one. We also have this air purifier max here from Shark, $240. Again, help clean the air, get everything nice and clean for your home. I have a couple of air purifiers in my house. They work great. But again, Shark's a great brand. Definitely going to do a good job. Next here we have Dyson, the hot, cool, purifying heating fan for $450. So again, check this one out. Large option right there for that. And then we also have the Blue Air purifier 2-pack here. So little mini packs. You can put these in bedrooms and different places like that. Have a little heater, a little Lasco heater. I think I have one of these in my house, 35 bucks. Works pretty well. Being able to heat up smaller rooms to mid-sized rooms there. And a little bit smaller personal heater here, the OmniHeat, 32 bucks on this one. It's the 2-pack, which is really nice. Again, you can carry these around. My wife loves to do that. And then we also have the directional heater here as well. So whichever one of those you might want, you can save a little bit of money on all of them. Then we also have a stain remover. You check this out. Again, if you get any stain removers, whether it's in a vehicle or your carpet or even your couch. This is a nice little cleaning robot here for $430. It does multiple different things, as you can see right here. Great option for that. Has the mop and the vacuum cleaning in the large container here. So a bunch of different great options right there for that one. And you get to save a little bit of money on that one as well. Next deal, we see this wet, dry, cordless vacuum here. Again, another saver on this one. So if you need one of these for your house, you can definitely check this out. So it says 3-in-1, cut cleaning time in half. So a bunch of good deals on these right here for a lot of these cleaning devices, but you can always check out and see if any of these are items you might need as well. Then we also have the Shark vacuum down to $229. You get to save 70 bucks off of this one. So again, another great deal for that, and maybe even another great Christmas gift. Another Shark here for $350. And just make sure that you clarify if you do get your wife a vacuum cleaner for Christmas, just to make sure y'all talk about that. But they had a lot of electronics on sale as well. You can see a bunch of these. So whether you need computers, little tablets, or watches and those kind of things, had a bunch of those. Even had some Eufy cameras here, 100 bucks. Really good price for that one. The solar-powered Eufy camera. And like I said, they had a bunch of other computers and stuff around there as well. Then they even had some of these digital cameras. You got some wall mounts for televisions, and then also some printers and other items like that. We just had to buy us a printer for the house for different things. But you can check out these and see which ones you might need. Also, let me know in the comments if you guys have grabbed anything already at Costco for a lot of their Black Friday deals. And then here's a couple of televisions, $399 here for the 55-inch. Again, this one is the Samsung LED there. Then also another 55-inch here for $329, 4K right there. So again, a bunch of good deals on these. So get some great holiday savings. So if you need any of those. And we also have another option here for the 65-inch, $379. Again, large TV right there. Then we have the NutriBullet for 70 bucks. This is the NutriBullet Pro Plus. So if you need one of those. Also have the Ninja Deluxe Kitchen System 140. Great little setup right there. Again, if you're going to chop some stuff up or making smoothies for these. You also have the Food Saver Variety Bag Pack. I didn't have one of these out, but you get to save a little bit on that one. The Keurig Single Serve Coffee Maker 150. You save a little bit on that, especially if you're into some Keurigs. Then we also have the Drip Coffee as well for 48 bucks. Good price on that one. The New Wave Hot Brew mug here for 100 bucks. Cool idea on this. Get to do everything in your cup right there. And then also we have the American Standard Garbage Disposal, 90 bucks. So you're going to grab one of those. Check that one out. Get to save a little bit. We also have the Duracell Lantern, 24 bucks on this one. Got a few flashlights here. We also have the Jackery generator with the solar panels on there. I mean, $650 is a really good price for that. I know these were a really big deal last year, and still a big deal going on right now. They also had the EcoFlow right next to this, and then also another generator here for $900. So again, if you are needing a generator, you can check these out as well. Always great to have some of these, especially right before cold weather in the holidays here. Another flashlight option. I think this is a great one for like a stocking stuffer or just a big heavy duty flashlight for your house. They have some shelving here, $200. Heavy duty shelving, whether this is for your house, your garage, or maybe even the shop, just to get everything nice and neat and get it off the floor. Definitely something you could check out right there. But you see, again, the Gorilla Rack. Another auto light with emergency tool, $16. Save a little bit on that one right there. Always great to have flashlights. You never know when you're going to need them. Got the spin scrubber here, $16. So you're going to clean out some smaller places like that at the house. They also had the Blackstone sitting over here. Now, I will say this was not on sale, but I did just want to show you the price that they have, $279. I feel like I've seen other prices on sale for more expensive than that, so just remember that at Costco. Little dash cam here for $100. Another great thing to check out there. And then have the stand mixer, the KitchenAid mixer, little super popular option right there. Just remember you can grab one of those here at Costco. Again, the KitchenAid mixer is super popular, $3.20 right there. And then we also have the little two cooker, like little slow cookers here from Bella. You see those. So again, two different options, really great if you're going to be making multiple things for the holidays. Great thing to check out right there. Great deals going on right now at your local Costco. Let me know what you plan on grabbing, and if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. Also check out some of the other videos I have right here, and I will see you in the next video.